waiting.
What is your problem?
Angel did waiting.
Do business. You don't see me with business.
Oh, well, 15 years ago, when they carry back from Long Beach to come LA, who was I? I mean, if I come to your house, I will buy food, buy drink, everything. What?
Promise Okechukwu, that is your name.
That's not my name, that's my brother's name. Now my brother visa I carry come America.
I'll go tell FBI.
Now me be FBI for America now. Which glasses? You are not fit to be on my video now. You are not fit to be on my video.
It's against the law of policy of gathering.
No, people come here and they take video. So why can't I take a video? Are you a terrorist?
You are glassing us now.
I'm not grassing you. As long as the metal Reban light is on, that's the constant in California. You don't know about technology. I do Hollywood movie. You do Nollywood movie. Nobody they buy your movie.
Now she would do
Uche, when I had 23,000 followers on Instagram, you never even get Facebook account. You see they use Nokia phone, Nokia Lumia. Now lie? Tell yourself the truth. Now we have witnesses. George is there, Onyeka is there, Simeon is there. When you shower, when you see the wear Swami busters, I don't they wear Air Jordan head to toe. For who?
There was a monkey taking a shower. Don't do that thing again.
Uche, when they wear Swami busters, I don't they wear Air Jordan head to toe.
They pick up police for an hour. Same monkey is taking a shower. They just come here and arrest him. Don't get time.
No, he should have gone inside. That place is for drinking. He should have gone into the restroom. Shediko, go.
That's wrong. Yeah. Smoking.
Benzema.
I'm expecting $100 million from Malaysia. No, I'm expecting $100 million from Malaysia. You get an account. 50-50. Oh, when I'm expecting $100 million from Malaysia. You get an account. 50-50. Maybe we begin to go back to Nigeria right now. Which I'm coming out for Anambra State governorship. I don't tell you. I'm coming out for Anambra State governorship. 2033. My dad, Ambassador Samuel Okechukwu. Say he will tender $1 billion for my election. I share the money to everybody suffering in America. My brother, how you doing? You look like a medical doctor or AI coder. Because this is their less no be to do Facebook. Are you from Anambra? Where? Delta? Cameroon. Okay, I will take you to Anambra. I'm coming out for governorship. I said I will take you to Anambra and give you $1 million to vote for me. I'm coming out for governorship. Be ready, don't waste my time.